I Can Sing It Better is proudly brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse ndi Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.
I can sing it better.
Zabwino.
Bobo.
Zuyenda.
121.
Maiyo menenda chitira.
Okay, fine.
Zuyenda boy.
Azutega.
Okay.
Sure.
Tipempa mutidziwitse dzina lanu komanso komwe mukuchokera.
Okay, fine. Felix Migasi from area 24.
From area 24.
Yes.
Okay. Mwatibweretsera zotani?
And now I'm going to sing a song R&B cover by Arisha Kids. No One.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. All the best.
Thanks. I just want you close, where you can stay forever. You can be sure that it only gets better. You want me together through the days and nights. I don't worry, 'cause everything is gonna be alright. People keep talking, they can say what they like, but all I know is everything is gonna be alright. No one, can get in the way of what I'm feeling. No one, can get in the way of what I feel for you.
Okay.
You can get in the way of what I feel. I know something sets the world to find something of what we have. I know people will try to divide something so real, but until the end of time, I'm telling there is no one. No.
All right. Thank you so much, dear Felix. No, you can still stand there. Stand there.
All right.
You love that song, right?
Yes.
Why?
Because, Alicia talks about when it comes to love, like she puts all her emotion in that song. So when you are listening to that song, you can also the emotion that she is putting in there.
I love
So
it.
that's why I like it.
Do you think you put in the emotions that you get into the song to the audience?
I think I tried.
You think you tried? So
Yes.
At the rate of maybe 1 to 7, where would you put yourself?
Maybe I will rate myself 5 out of 7.
Why?
Because maybe I was a bit nervous. Yes.
Okay. So I think you know what you have to work on, right?
Yes.
So I will tell you, go out to the world and work on those things.
All right.
Plus, maybe song selection also. You can choose another song,
Okay.
the other songs. But thank you. And all I can say, of course, it's enough for me.
Okay.
But I know you can do better to
Okay.
the world.
Okay.
So, yeah.
It's a no for me.
Okay.
Try again next year.
Okay.
Thank you.
I was about to say yes and you're going away.
Oh, sorry.
All right, it's another no from me.
All right.
Yeah. Hoping to see you again sometime next year.
All right.
All the best.
Thank you. Bobo.
Zenda bwanje nkateni.
Sinende bwino.
Nakumva kuimba nyimbo ya No One. Ndinakupangisa kuti uimbe nyimbo imene ndi chani?
Because I believe even maybe I can sing it better with that song.
Ndi
Yeah.
majudges anena zoti zinavuta pati.
Of course, they just agreed with the point I made today. I was nervous when I was singing that song. So, yeah, somehow. They just said I should try another song next time.
akakanali kuyamba upanga perform kapena wapangapo perform.
No, it was for the first time. So, yeah.
There's always a first time for everything. I'm pretty sure kuti when you're coming back, you come back better.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
I'm Tricia back.
Umaka Trace.
25.
25. Wadi ndipite ndikaonetse mene mayimbira. Eh? Eh. Akawadziweso Malawi idziwe kuti kuli Trace kunja kuno. Funa kuphulitsa nyimbo Iphulitseni imeneyo. Nyimbo ya?
Mumvera.
Ndi anu?
Aisiyanga.
Okay, chabwino. Ife tililede pano kuti timvere.
Okay.
Ndithu.
Oh, how I love him. Oh, how he cares. Oh, how I love him because he first loved me. How I love him. How he cares, or how I love him because he first loved me. Oh, how I love him, how I love him. Come on, testify. Oh, how he cares. Oh, how I love him because he first loved me. Thank you.
Bro, start.
Okay. Yes. All right. I'm thinking what to say.
Say it.
Okay. When you started, I loved the fact that you kept the low key in key, and you kept the texture, the tone.
Thank you.
That was good. But then you surprised me when you jumped to the high key. Wow. You surprised me because I felt like it was a bit abrupt. Like, okay, the transitioning from low pitch to higher pitch. However, still when you got to that higher pitch, I loved the way you maintained it. There were some point I was like, okay, she's going to squeak, but then you kept going. I loved the way you sang the song.
Thank you. Yeah,
But that was beautiful.
thank you.
So I say yes.
All right, Tracy. I love your mawage, the texture of the tone of your voice. It's so beautiful, and it's really touching. And I love how you're using it.
Thank you.
I love how you kept it simple and sweet. And that's a yes for me.
Thank you.
Tracy, this is what we are looking for. It's another yes for me. You can smile now.
Please smile. I know. We're going to give you this.
Thank you.
We want you to come down here. You need a hug? Please come. Let me hug you. Let me hug you because I know it's a moment where she waited for it so much. And I can't wait to hug you.
Oh my God. Thank you. And never expected.
Thank you. Thank you.
You thought you were gonna get a no?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
All the best.
That was beautiful.
Wow.
Keep on practicing.
That was beautiful delivery.
She's a
Trust
very
me.
hardworking person.
She just need to understand where to use what.
Yes.
And you know,
Otherwise,
that reaction tells you it's coming from
From
a
her
hard
heart.
work. Yeah, someone who
She worked for it.
she wants to do good.
Yes.
Alright, muntu akangotoka ndikagolide ndimwaza zoti mkati muzaenda ndithu zaenda. How was the feeling like?
Yo, it was so amazing, and I never expected that I can come out with Kantwagaga.
What inspired you that you should participate more and sing it better?
Aish. But nafuna kuti ndibwere because I love to sing. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Ndiyabakupasa ndika golden rabbit. What
Yeah.
should we expect from you now?
Indeed, it's another bombast.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Sure.
Wishing you all the best as you
Thank you
continue.
so much. Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. What's your name?
My name is Blessings McDonald.
Blessings.
Yeah.
What do you have for us? Blessings.
I bring you some Afro vibe.
Afro vibe,
Yeah, I hope
guys.
you
We
enjoy
can't
it.
wait for the Afro
Yeah,
vibe.
you enjoy it.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Yeah, okay. I'm ready. Give me chance, make I touch your body, oh. I want to love you and to lipenga popio. You stole my heart, can you ilipa kotio? I want to call your body, baby, like a kotio. Anything you want, baby, I'ma do for you. Ooh, ooh. Baby girl, don't you see I'm looking like a fool? Ooh, 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 ooh. Baby, show me love. Plenty, I go buy your Gucci. Fendi, kundipata nkuli. Sexy, mfuna wine loto. Betty, baby, show me love. Oh, Betty, plenty, I go buy your Gucci. Fendi, kundipata nkuli. Sexy, mfuna wine loto. Betty. If you want a prayer, I swear, let me be your gaba. I swear, let me be your gaba. I swear, let me be your gaba. If you want money, oh, I swear, let me be your Simbi. I swear, let me be your Simbi. I swear, let me be your Sim. If you want designers, I'll be your lang so
Okay,
rich.
Blessings is fine. It's fine, Blessings. Thank you, Blessings, for your for your courage to participate in this program. One thing I liked about you is your energy, how you came in, all the confidence you have. But I think for this program, with what we are looking for, I feel like you are kind of below that, if I may use that word. So I would give you a no, and perhaps if you work more on it, and then maybe next year, who knows? So, sorry, Blessings, but it's a no for me.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a no for me too. Yeah.
Blessings, that's a third no.
Okay.
Yeah. All the best.
Thanks.
Sure.
Me, this year is my year.
Someone is gonna be a CMB. Someone's gonna buy you a punch.
And this one is gonna do what? He's gonna. What did he say?
I'm gonna be your CMB.
And the Gaba. It's gonna be your Gaba.
And they're looking at you like, Ukipa Sankuli.
Girl, what do you expect?
Zabwina say?
Zabwino.
I think I like design ya top ya
Yeah,
boy. Yeah, can you give us a 360 run kumbuyo? I say look at that, look at that. Kwa bankari mundezenda bwanji.
Karimu zarifura. Okay, they say kuti tinaloza body language ina yake. Yeah, because I do Afro, and when I do things, okay, I'm thinking internationally, not in a local level. Local level, no. You see, they know some words we use, you know, mavaiba nyimbo zina zake zoti muli example zina zake. Ndizimene sori malemba kuti nyimbo zithu zibiri pasogolo. Yeah, well, they say no, and they know, it's okay.
it's okay.
Maybe next time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ndoguri next time uzaisira.
Yeah, next time we see.
Okay, say all the best.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
I'm gonna need a mic stand because I'll play with a guitar.
Okay.
So my name is Grant Access Mpama.
Sorry?
Grant Access Mpama.
How did you get to know about the editions?
I know the auditions just because of my brother. My brother, he works at Zomba Medical Hospital, so...
He sent you the poster?
Yeah, he sent me everything.
Ah, okay. And you were down for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was nice to come here.
So what song are you giving us today?
The song I'm giving you is titled Langile Koni.
That's Chichewa?
Yes.
Hi, Nindi Mlomwe. Chichewa Jumanduvuta.
So, okay, thank you.
But all the best. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Pano panabuela na mbewe, pano panazela ambewe, pano panabuela na mbewe. Langile konine, mwana yu kuterera, mwana yu kuchira mwano, ale mwana yu. Akachoka pakomo mama wa wela kwake ndusiku abale mwanayu akubwera njila yonse kutukwana kumuona mwanayu nchileterere Yesa kumuyankula mai wake kuti mwanayu mwina asinte akuti bambu ndakula ndata ndipo inu
Okay. I love your song. It's a nice song.
Thank you.
Traditional. Is there any song you can sing?
Yeah.
Not your song?
Yes.
What song?
Yes, there's another song I can sing.
What other song, apart from your song?
Yeah, exactly.
What else can you sing?
Thinking Out by Richielan.
Can you do that one?
Thinking Out Loud?
Yeah.
Thank you.
When your legs don't walk like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? 'Cause darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart was too for us, heart as 23. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's the touch of the hand.
Okay, that's fine. The reason why I told you to try another song is because I wanted to appreciate your voice without being deceived by your guitar. Right? Yeah, so I love it when you sing that type of music with your voice works. But you can't easily appreciate somebody's voice in that kind of music. Not that your voice is bad, it's good. So, with this competition, I would say no. I can't afford to let you proceed.
Thank you.
Sure. The reason is like the song, even in your song, the fact that you have a guitar to guide you in key, there were some places where you were going a little bit flat. And this song that you've just finished singing, that happened a lot. So I would say no.
I think I was expecting a little more, but I didn't. So yeah, it's a no for me too.
myself as an instrumentalist, I was actually interested in looking at you, how you balance your singing and your playing. I noticed that you didn't struggle with that, but it's the vocal area which needs more work. But for now, I'll give you a no. Next time, I might give you a yes. Who knows?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Grant. Yeah, all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
You came with an instrument.
Yes.
Zaenda bwanje Karim.
Zaenda bwino zanguvuta kuti siti na train bwino maunde mawatu that is everything is good maunda voice ifuna kutraina kuti zikhala nditoni yabwino ya maso pitch hapo zimene zati lephelesa zokazo.
Okay. Ndembekezele kuti next time muzabweraso puta kupasana ma corrections awili atatu.
Music is about correction. If you don't accept the correction, then you don't accept good music. Yeah, good music is about correction. Somebody must correct you to come off with something. Exactly.
All right, wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I am good.
Thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Paul Maseke.
Paul Maseke, from where?
Yeah, I'm from Bunda.
From Bunda.
Yeah.
You came to show us what you got.
Yeah, of course.
How better you can sing it?
Yeah, I'm good. You're gonna see.
I can't wait to hear that.
Okay.
What song are you singing?
Compensation by Dremo.
Ah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. The stage is all yours.
Yeah, okay. Ontima upeleke kwa ine ndi utenge. Don't you worry about safety. Ndiza chengetera, chengetera, chengetera. Aino ntima unaswekapo. You be there unalilapo. Ululu muntima kufikapo. Ukaganizila, ganizila, ganizila. Pai wendilola ndipepele. Chikondi chisapelewele. All up ground patelele. I will love you the same, baby. Oh, uzanifunse. Nkadza kuswela ntimo uzanifunse. Kuti mwina compensation. Ndizapeleke moyo wanga. Oh, uzanifunse. Nkadza kuswela ntimo uzanifunse. Kuti mwina compensation. Ndizapeleke moyo wanga. Don't be scared to let you know. Zakale zapita, it's me and you. Undiuze pomwe palimantako. Anontima umakana ukandiuniga. Umaona ngari aja na kunamiza kuma. I wanna be your soldier, your fighter, protector, defender. I just wanna be your friend for life. Oh, nde uzanifunse. Kaza kuswela ntima uzanifunse. Kuri mwina compensation. Ndizapeleke moyo wanga.
All right, Paul. Listening to you sing and now thinking about Driemo, I would expect to hear something that I've heard more than what I've heard before. Like, okay, this is how Driemo sings this song. How are you going to do it? I haven't found something quite impressive, something that would make me go like, wow, right? Okay. So you're singing in key, your singing is fine, but I say kind of average. So I would say no.
Okay.
I think I'll say no too.
I give you a yes, but it doesn't change anything. So, which means you have to try again next year, Paul.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you so much for trying.
Thanks you.
See you, Paul.
Okay.
Bye.
Popo. Tangorozo rinkare muzaenda bwanje.
Of course, our next round is better. Yeah, but I hope next time I'll do better.
Zinavura bad.
Mostly I think chomwe ndaona nchokuti ndaimba nyimbo yokuti inaimbidwa ndi munthu wakuno ku Malawi, so the judges were able to connect it kuti kodi imene waimbira uyu waposa mwana kwa nyimbo kapena. Yeah, so I think maybe if I had sing my original song, maybe it could help. So yeah, I will see next time.
Alright. Unaimba nyimbo ya ndani yomwe ya ku Malawi?
Yeah, Dremo composition. Yeah.
Okay. All the best as you're continuing with your music.
I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hi.
All right. What is your name and why are you here?
My name is Betty Nanseta.
Okay. What have you brought on the table today?
Today I'll be singing for you guys Fly Me to the Moon by Frank Sinatra.
Oh, beautiful. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, the floor is yours.
Okay. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, please be true. Thank you.
Okay, thanks to you too. I think you've done a great job. Okay, the tone is good. Yeah, you're giving us the eye contact here and there. I think the selection is okay, is good. I loved your impression. Of course, when you're coming in, I thought you were a little shaky, but it might be your first, or maybe you're just stressed, or maybe you're just feeling anxious. How is it going to be like? Yeah. It's normal, but always build your confidence whenever you're on stage. But I'm going to give you a yes for that.
You want me to go first? I kind of like what I heard, but next time, be careful when you're picking a key, right? It being a low key, you tried to make sure that you maintain to stay in key.
Alright.
But that took away life from
Okay.
from the song and from your singing.
Alright.
So next time, be careful. Selection of song and selection of key. But that was good. So it's a yes from me.
Thank you.
Well, the reason why I was handing the mic over to him, because mine I knew it was going to be a no. But I knew that when you get 2 yeses, then yeah, that means you proceed to the next phase.
Okay.
But the reason why I wanted to say no is because I felt like you could do better than what we have seen. So what you can do is between now and the next phase, you really need to work hard, polish up your vocal skills. If you can find a voice trainer, that will do you good. Because the next phase, that means it's going to be very tough, yeah?
All right.
Yeah, but wishing you all the best and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Betty.
Okay.
So, why didn't you give her a rabbit?
What did we give her the rabbit?
Did we discuss? No, I'm just asking. She's going to
No, I didn't see.
Not
Oh,
silver, not
I
silver,
think-
no gold, right?
No God.
Yeah,
no
because
God.
I
She's
think
just
she's still average. She's
But
still,
you know,
she's good.
she's good.
But as you said, she has to be very
Yeah,
careful
she has
because
to be very careful.
the moment
Yeah.
where she knows she can be here, she can do it. But at the same time, she's
I
like,
would really love to see her sing
A difference.
mid range or a bit of high,
R&B or
right?
something.
Whatever, but I need not to hear a lot
Or if
more
we,
of
if,
low.
if we had time,
Oh, yeah.
if we had time, we'll let her sing a different song so we can judge her.
Wait.
Yeah.
But she's safe,
We'll
we'll
meet
see.
again.
So can you just tell us how it went inside?
I got in, I said hi to the judges and introduced myself, and then I introduced my song, and then I started singing. Yes.
So how did it go?
It went well, though the nerves got the best of me, but they said I got a yes. I'm moving on to the next round. Yes.
All right. Congratulations and wishing you all the best as you continue the journey.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. And what's your name?
My name is Augustine Katimba.
Augustine Katimba. What do you have for us, Augustine?
I have an original song composed by myself.
Wow. We can't wait.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. Now you say I'm bad for you. Now you say I do no good. Now you're complaining like I'm not there for you. You like fighting me. Later on you missing me. Now you go hurting me. Deep down you're loving me. Nobody go treat you like I do. No, 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 no. Nobody go love you like I do. No, 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 no. Nobody go do you things I do. No, 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 no. Nobody go fit my shoes. No, 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 no. There is nobody. Nobody else. There is nobody. Palije, mnyake, nati palije. Palije, mnyake, nati palije. Nilipondeka, no replacement. Vanyake wose, they'll make your heart break. Nilipondeka, who love you like this. Vanyake wose, they tryna use you. Sanje yane ningos, kwen chitemwa chane nimo.
Augustine? Yeah. Thank you for your song. You said what's the title of that song again?
Okay, the title is Bad For You.
Bad For You. Okay, cool.
Yeah. So maybe sorry I forgot to give you some details at the beginning. The song mostly talks about loving someone.
Yeah.
Deeply.
I think we're not worried about the details of the song. We know we can chat about that and you can tell us the whole story behind. We expected more from you, especially this being your song, which means your own song, like you said. It's a no for me, and I'll give you room to try again next year.
Okay, I
Thank you.
appreciate that.
Thank you.
Sure.
No, it's a no for me too.
Okay.
There is room for you to improve and just.
Well, I appreciate this because this is my first time doing a cappella. I've never done a
Oh.
cappella. Oh. I kind of doubt that, but anyway,
Hey.
go ahead.
Bad For You, right?
Yeah.
The title of the song is Bad For You. And you're like, is it back for you or bad for you?
Bad for you.
Wow. Too bad for you, man.
It's just like
I'm like
it's someone
nobody.
who
You're like, nobody will tell you yes. No, 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 no.
it's not like that.
Yeah.
I think
So, yeah, no one is going to say yes.
Yeah.
So it's a no from me as well.
It's okay.
All the best, though.
Sure.
I like the fact that you can smile and, yeah. So go work and See you again next time.
Sure. Thanks.
Mwakubwerawo fowokati.
No, I'm just stopping. I'm tired.
You're just tired.
Yeah, since morning. Yeah.
Komano, now that you had your chance, or you should show the judges what you're good at. Rona ngaruriza in the bunch.
I think it was a bit fair. Yeah, and to be honest, it is my first time performing a cappella. I've never performed a cappella, so it was my first time. Yeah, I'm kind of good with the beats, so it was something challenging, but I've tried and I've done what I could. So I appreciate the efforts I put on. That's what I say.
Alright, mwina ndingofunsa kuti it's different performing ndi ma instruments ndi akapela zimasiyana.
Yeah, it's very different. Because to be honest, I think I started performing, it was 2012. All I ever performed was with instruments. Even composition goes with instruments. So doing a cappella, I think it is a bit challenging because most of the songs we listen to, they're not a cappella, like for reality. They have instrument. We vibe the song because of instrument. So lack of instruments in competition, I think sometimes it discourages us artists to deliver our best because we feel like something is missing because the beat kind of gives us energy that gives us to bring that beast out.
Alright, so what are you going to do to make sure kuti your acapella delivery comes out smooth?
I'll try practicing vocals here and there. Yeah.
Right.
That's what I can say.
Thank you for coming and all the best.
I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. What is your name and where are you coming from?
One.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Right.
coming from Chinsapo 1.
Okay.
Here in Lilongwe.
Okay.
Yes.
So, mwatibweretsera zojani?
Okay. The song that I'm about to sing is titled Masterpiece.
Okay.
It's originally done by Jasmine Sullivan, but I'm going to do the Cynthia Erivo version with my own twist to it.
Exactly
Yes.
what we'd like to hear.
Yeah.
All right. Over to you. The floor is yours and all the best.
Thank you very much. My eyes ain't used to these rays. I'm feeling exposed, but I can't hide no more. I can't hide. As the sun shines on all of my glory, my flaws don't look so bad. What was I so afraid of? Every part of me is a vision of a portrait of Mona Lisa. Every part of me is beautiful, and I finally see I'm a work of art, a masterpiece. Oh, oh, oh. Who is this I tried so long to fight, filling my head with lies that I'm not good enough? Then I heard something in my ear tell me I'm perfect. Now that I know the truth, time to show and prove. Every part of me is a vision of a portrait of Mona Lisa. Every part of me is beautiful, and I finally see I'm a work of art, a masterpiece. Thank you.
Okay. All right. This is beautiful. There are means I'm speechless. Okay. But all I can say is I love your tone and the strength of your vocals. They're just good. There is more in you that you don't even know.
Thank you.
You need to realize them and start using them. So it's a yes for me.
I'm happy. Wano.
Yeah.
You have a beautiful voice.
Thank you very much.
A lovely voice.
Thank you.
I love your voice texture. I would have said much, but I would say yes. It's a yes from me.
Thank you very much.
You have 3 yeses.
Thank you so
You're
much.
good to go through to the next round.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're beautiful.
Thank
so
you
we're
very
gonna give you
much.
a court. Rub it.
Shaking.
Don't shake, please.
Okay, I will. I will. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So how does it feel coming out with a golden rabbit?
I can't believe it. I'm still shaking. I didn't expect it.
But how was the experience and feeling like inside?
Well, the experience was very nice. I've never been to an audition like that. It was my first time. So yeah, I think it was a learning experience.
All right. So what motivated you to participate in I Can Sing It Better?
Well, I've grown up singing my entire life. I love singing. So when I saw the poster, I just wanted to be part of it.
Right. Expecting more from you and all the best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I can sing it better.
Hi.
Hi.
Zwenda.
Wezi.
Wezi Chifoya.
Basi makaina basi.
Okay, what's your name?
Rex was. Rex.
Was.
Rex was.
Ah, okay, fine. Yes. From where?
Saint.
Saint, yeah. Kwa Senti. Nice. What do you have for us?
Funa ragia.
Nyimbo.
Yeah, nyimbo.
Okay. Nyimbo yanji.
Lomas bas, love.
Yako?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I would love to hear that. Yeah. Okay. You can start.
Okay. Pena nimazifuza ndeka. Banyi ndimakukonda koma. Okay, ningwambilaso. Pena ndimazifuza ndeka. Banyi ndimakukonda koma yangu sindiripeza. Ntimau umatutumuka. Pena kupuma befunka kumbuka ndimakukonda. When I want to find a reason, I can't find it. I don't know that love because of what. When I want to find a reason, I can't find it. I don't know that love because of what. But I love you more and more, more and more. I love you more and more, more and more. Yes, I love you more alone, more alone. I love you more alone, more alone.
All right. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah.
All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a specific person you're singing this song to?
10,000.
Eh?
Yeah.
Pali bameno muimbira? Ah, chabwino.
Kungoimba basi. Chabule kupira kwa hiyo.
All right, bro.
Yeah.
For me, I would say you are not singing. You're whispering. So I'm sure you would have done better than that. So I would say no.
Nkani yaigulu ndi umanong'one so panalibepo mphamvu ya kaimbidwe imene umaimbira, so it's a no for me too.
So please work on that kuti mukamabweraso next time muzalandire maese atatu koma papa ndeti ndi mano atatu. Thank you Rex.
Yeah.
Thank you. I thought he was gonna go at some point.
I don't think so.
Komano, you just.
I didn't see that coming.
You didn't see that
No.
coming, eh? Then he just fought like that to the end.
He was so chilled. I mean, he was so chilled, so comfortable with what he was doing. I'm like, hey, dude.
basi tangoti kumbusa zina lako lija umasoro zoti nkaremo zaenda bwanji.
Nende Lexus nkarimara basi tangoyeserabe naye
Zinavuta pati.
zinavura ngati uli voice pang'ono ngatuli
Ndikupanga chani kuti your voice should become better.
papa ndiuli ndikangopanga training wambiri voice yu kuti ndikati kuwanisa pomwe ndasalirapo
Tinene kuti mawu ako mmene ukuyankhuliramo ndimene samatulukira weimba kapena the bit higher.
mwina ndi njala kumwe mwina ndi njala.
Alright, ife tingokufunira zabwino zonse. Si next season isomutipeza.
Ande kuti tupeza.
I can sing it better.
Brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse ndi Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.